by his own. No need for any assistance from others. So, that's it. How?
Mommy, the round one is suitable for the large muscles groups such as arms, waist, hips, and thigh.
Oh, you see? This is the suitable for the...
Yeah, that one must be. The one
Okay, we will try this one.
Oh, nung pa sa'yo anak ko eh.
Okay, ito na. Okay.
Yan talaga oh.
Yan po ay yung parang pag tumatanda ka na, yan. Dito mo mararamdaman yung iyong ginhawa. Ito lang pala ang magpapaginhawa sa aking asawa sa mga sakit-sakit ng kanyang katawan, mga muscles.
Para after mong tumagbo.
Masarap ba? Meron din ito para sa mga palm, sa hands. If you feel like there's pain on your palm, so you can use this. This is for the neck. Okay, for the tendons like that. So this is for the muscles also, and that one is for the big muscles, big areas of your muscles. So see ya, bye. How is it?
Good.
Good. Okay, bye. See ya.